The Metro Police Department is getting some help. The City County Council approved an income tax hike last night to hire more police officers. Eyewitness News reporter Carrie Klein tells us how many officers could be hired and what city and law enforcement leaders are saying about it.
Well, city county councilors from both sides of the aisle call this a step in the right direction, both saying this is progress.
Because it will allow us to bring up those numbers of police officers that this city is lacking right now. We are not keeping pace at all with attrition. We have many more officers leaving than we have being hired. And in addition to attrition, you have normal resignations, you have terminations, and then unfortunately we also have experienced some deaths.
We need to continue to look at crime and crime prevention in a holistic way. I definitely support the pre-K initiative.
But Mayor Greg Ballard says the public safety funding plan okayed by council Monday night falls $2.5 million short of his plan for IMPD. Now, the council okayed the $29 million increase in the public safety tax. IMPD will get about $16 million of that. That will mean about 150 police officers over the next 5 years. But Mayor Ballard wants council to approve the elimination of the local homestead tax credit. He said that would generate a little more than $7 million, most of which the mayor wants to devote to pre-K programs, something he says will address crime long term, and then give the remaining $2.5 million to hire more officers. Now, we talked with FOP Vice President Rick Snyder earlier this morning about that proposal.
Most of the folks we talk to in Indianapolis say they really need to see something happen right now. They're afraid to walk out their doors at night, and that really requires a greater police presence. So from what we have gotten from the community is they would rather see all of those dollars go to hiring more officers and not a fraction of it as the mayor has proposed.
The FOP says the elimination of that homestead tax credit would mean less than $2 a month more for taxpayers and wouldn't even affect everyone in Marion County. They say that full investment would mean being able to hire 500 officers over 5 years. So discussion about that homestead tax credit goes to a council panel tonight and could go to a vote of the full council next week. Reporting from downtown, Carrie Klein, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
And Mayor Greg Ballard will join us here live in studio in just a few minutes. He'll have more on the plan and the specific cost to taxpayers in Marion County.